Firstly, let's know something about sweet assembly, disassembly, and use methods. Assembly and disassembly of sweet pure juice machine is very simple and convenient. See, target number 1 red point upon machine main body, number 2 red point, rotate it clockwise until it fits in perfectly well. Look, target number 3 red point upon number 1 red point, slightly press it until it fits in perfectly well. Look, target top cover upon locking symbol, rotate it clockwise until it fits in perfectly well, then press locking key. It thus finishes the assembly of sweet pure juice machine.